The entertainment world has a lot of cuteness and hotness amalgamated into every actor possible. But yes, one actor that tops the list of cute, hot, smart and sexy is none other than Sumeet Vyas. Oh, sorry, our own Mikesh. Today on Pinkvilla, we have none other than our own lad. So, Sumeet, welcome to pinkvilla.com.
Thank you.
And we are really happy to have you here.
Hey!
I'm pretty sure you are. So, success doesn't come overnight. If I could ask, how was your journey from a television actor to web series or online heartthrob of people?
Firstly, I don't think I'm successful yet. I'm just starting. But yes, it has taken a while, 16 years to be precise, for Pinkvilla to come call me and say these nice things about me. I have done a bit of television, not too much actually, because of whatever, they probably didn't like me so much. Yeah, I probably won't change anything about what has happened, because I think as an actor, the more interesting life you lead, the better the artist you become. It took long, but it's fun.
Now, it's just in.
Yeah, it's in now.
Okay, so definitely in this entire journey, you must have come across a few disappointments or
Several.
So, if you want to talk about them, and today's generation is really impatient. They want success overnight, but they need to know that it is not that how it works.
Yeah.
So if you had to tell them that how does it work and what you had to go through because they relate to you, how would you kind of motivate them?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत ढीठ हूँ. And when someone disappoints me or someone dissuades me or makes me feel horrible about myself, but besides getting upset, a part of me is happy. Because when they upset me, then I want to prove them wrong. So whenever someone told me that you can't do this, I say, now I want to do this. I will do this. So I thank all those people who hurt me and humiliated me and made me feel horrible about myself.
So now talking about your collaboration or foraying into web series, how did this happen? Because we have seen you as a TV star in a serial.
Web series happened, I saw some videos of TVF and I really liked them. And whenever I like something, I want to associate myself with them. So I didn't know, उस समय web series कुछ था नहीं. There was no, this concept didn't exist. So I asked them, I'd really like to work with you, so you let me know whenever next you are shooting something. So they called me, they said, read for this part and we are trying something new. ऐसे 5-7 मिनट के कुछ एपिसोड बनाएंगे हम लोग. और फिर वो 5-7 मिनट तो नहीं हुआ, वो पहला ही 15 मिनट का था, फिर दूसरा 20, फिर 35, 25, 40, वो बढ़ता ही चला गया. So it was accidental. I took the initiative and I approached them and I said, I want to work with you. And that's a lesson I learned, that I think if you want to work with someone, you must tell them.
Approach.
At least, what's the worst that can happen?
Yeah. No.
हाँ, वो बोलेंगे नहीं करना, बस इतना ही होगा ना, but करना चाहिए.
Talking about your web series Permanent Roommates, okay, there are these news that it's gonna come next year, 2017. Why so much of gap? I'm very sure the youngsters want to know this. Mikesh fans want to know this. Why so much of gap between this entire season?
It's all because of Bisupati Sarkar, because he's the writer and he takes time to write and think. He's also writing so many other things. Okay. He's written pictures, so I think वो pictures का भी कुछ कर रहा है, कुछ और भी वो लिख रहा है. तो वो जब तक वो सारी चीज़ों से वो फ्री होगा, फिर वो ब्रेक लेगा, सोचेगा, फिर लिखेगा. तो शायद इसीलिए वो इतना अच्छा भी लिखता है, क्योंकि वो इतना टाइम ले लेके चीजें लिखता है. तो सो यार, दैट्स व्हाई.
मुकेश के लिए अभी काफी टाइम है.
थोड़ा टाइम है, एंड आई थिंक थोड़ा मिलता है तो अच्छा लगता है. देन यू वांट टू हैव मोर.
ओवरडोज नहीं होता.
जैसे मीठा भी जब थोड़ा होता है तो सबको खाना होता है.
डायबिटीज नहीं हो जाता.
हाँ, जब एक परात में ऐसे गुलाब जामुन रख दिए तो फिर किसी का मन नहीं करता.
ट्रू. ओके, सो व्हेन यू forayed into the web series, did you ever expect कि इतना वायरल हो जाओगे आप? मतलब हर यंगस्टर्स के नाम पे मुकेश ही है. Did you ever expect कि इतना?
नहीं, not at all. And absolutely no idea that this would become so big, and so many people would watch it and like it. I had no idea. And I was working with a bunch of IITians जो मतलब वो geeks हैं proper. सब बहुत पढ़े लिखे हैं और कंप्यूटर बनाते हैं, पता नहीं क्या क्या कर लेते हैं वो. मैं तो एकदम ही उनमें लल्लू था उनके बीच में.
Considering the kind of content we have on TV right now, something out of the box is very necessary.
हाँ.
How does it strike across your minds?
Basically what I do is, जो भी मेरे दिमाग में पहला आइडिया आता है, I reject it. As an actor or as any creative person, the first idea that comes to you is so-called conventional right way to do things, then you must reject it and then think what else can we do with it. And that's when your brain starts functioning. कि अरे अच्छा ये नहीं तो और क्या कर सकते हैं, और क्या हो सकता है, और क्या और फिर हर बार उसी खुराफात में से आपको कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मिलता है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
So talking about the current TV scenario, what is your take on it?
नहीं, but I don't think it's not fair to judge people. They are making shows because people are watching those shows. जो सीरियल जो शायद मुझे पसंद नहीं आते वो बहुत बड़े हिट हैं अभी, तो एक वजह है बड़े हिट होने का क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग वो सीरियल देख रहे हैं. तो ये गलत होगा कि हम कह दें कि ये लोग अच्छा नहीं बनाते हैं. पर आप अच्छा देखने लगोगे तो वो शायद अच्छा बनाना शुरू कर देंगे. बहुत काबिल लोग हैं, मैं मिला हूँ उनसे, मैं उनके साथ हम काम भी करते हैं. बस फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना है कि आपका इंटेंशन क्या है इस प्रोफेशन में आने का. मेरा इस प्रोफेशन में आने का इंटेंशन ये था कि मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग काम करना था, मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग कहानियाँ कहनी थी, उनका हिस्सा बनना था. कुछ लोगों का इंटेंशन होता है कि नहीं मुझे बहुत पैसा कमाना है, बहुत फेमस हो जाना है, सिर्फ यही है. दिस रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन द चॉइसेस यू मेक एज एन आर्टिस्ट. एंड या आई गेस आई मीन द सीक्रेट लाइज इन द राइटिंग एंड आई होप टेलीविजन ऑल्सो realizes it. They have the willpower and the hard work. They just need to respect this profession a little more.
Talking about your characters, Mukesh and Chandan, I am sure everybody wants to know that how different is Mukesh and Chandan put together from Sumeet?
Mikesh is definitely very different from me. I don't think I'm that person. Chandan is somewhat close to me because he's that way a pretty normal person. He's a little stuck up in life. I don't think I'm stuck up like that. So yeah, I guess they're different people. That's why it's fun to play them. Then you get to be someone else, no? Because that's
live somebody else's life.
Yeah. So then that's way that way they're both different.
So how is Sumeet in real life?
Sumeet is actually quite bland in real life. I do all my fun in the parts that I play.
Okay.
तो उसमें खर्च हो जाता है मेरा सारा, जो भी मुझ में कुछ भी जो भी मज़ेदार चीज़ें वो सारी मैं पात्र जो करता हूँ उसमें खर्च हो जाती है. तो फिर मेरे लिए कुछ बचता नहीं है.
Okay, so yeah, that's we're done for the question answers round. Now we'll have some fun activities where you will see a lot of more of secrets coming out.